हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। मैं हूं प्रशांत भोयर और आप देख रहे हैं मैथ शिक्षक टीएच चैनल। चलिए आज का वीडियो शुरू करते हैं। आज के वीडियो में हम मैट्रिक्स इन्वर्जन मेथड के बारे में जानेंगे। हाउ टू सॉल्व साइमल्टेनियस लीनियर इक्वेशन यूजिंग मैट्रिक्स इन्वर्जन मेथड। तो वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले जो इस चैनल पर नए हैं, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और अगर ये वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक करें। चलिए शुरू करते हैं मैट्रिक्स इन्वर्जन मेथड। In this matrix inversion method, prepare a matrix using coefficient of x, y and z. Let A is equal to, form a matrix using x, y, z coefficient. So here x coefficient is 1, y is -1 and z is 3. Here 4, 2, -1 and -1, 3, 1, and form another matrix X such that it contains x, y, z, and another matrix D is nothing but constants, that is 5, 0, 5. So friends, first of all find out determinant of A. So what is determinant of A? That is 1 into -1 power. This one comes in first row, first column, and the cofactors of 1 are 2, -1, 3, 1. Then -1 into this -1 power. This -1 comes in first row, second column, and the cofactors of this -1 are 4, -1, -1, 1, plus 3 into -1 power. This 3 comes in first row, third column, and cofactors of 3 are 4, 2, -1, 3, which is equal to 1 into -1 power 1 plus 1, 2, 2 into 1 minus 3 into -1 minus 1 into -1 power 1 plus 2, 3. This is 4 into 1 minus -1 into -1 plus 3 into -1 power 1 plus 3, 4, and 4 into 3 minus -1 into 2, -1 into 2, which is equal to -1 power 2 means power is even number, therefore it is +1, +1 into +1, +1, 2 into 1, 2, minus 3 into -1, minus plus, 3 1s are 3. So -1 power 3 means -1 because power is odd number, therefore it is -1, -1 into this -1, +1, 4 into 1, 4, minus into minus plus, 1 into 1, 1, 1 into -1, minus 1, that is minus 1, plus 3 into minus 1 power 4, power is even number, therefore it is plus 1, plus 1 into 3 plus 3, and this is 4 into 3, minus into minus plus, 1 into 2, 2, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 into 1, 5, 4 minus 1, 3, 3 into 1, 3, plus 12 plus 2, 14, 14 into 3, 42, which equal to 42, 45, 50. 50 not equal to 0, 4. Therefore, we can solve using matrix inversion method. We can solve this with matrix inversion method. Okay. Now after getting that, we have to write this equation as Ax is equal to D form. Ax is equal to D form and implies x is equal to A inverse D. What is x actually? X means x, y, z. So how we can get x, y, z values? After multiplying D matrix with A inverse. D matrix means 5, 0, 5 with A inverse. A is given, A inverse is not given. So we have to find out A inverse. After getting A inverse, multiply with D matrix, then we will get X matrix. So this X means X, Y, Z. So guys, X is equal to A inverse D. So we have to find out A inverse by using A matrix. So what is A inverse? A inverse means adjoint of A by det A. Adjoint of A by det A. So friends, X is equal to A inverse D. So how we can find out A inverse? A inverse is nothing but adjoint of A by determinant A. Adjoint of A is nothing but cofactors of all elements and its transpose. Cofactors of A. Cofactor of 1. So what is cofactor of 1? That is minus 1 into 1 comes in first row, first column. First row, first column. And the cofactors are first row, first column. Cofactors are 2, minus 1, 3, 1. So minus 1 power 1 plus 1 means 2. 2 is even number, therefore it is plus 1. Plus 1 into 2 into 1 minus 3 into minus 1, which is equal to 1 into 2 into 1, 2, minus into minus plus 3 into 1, 3. So 2 plus 3 into 1 is 5, because 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 into 1, 5. Similarly, cofactor of minus 1, which is equal to minus 1 power, this minus 1 comes in first row, second column. First row, second column. And cofactors are 4 minus 1, minus 1, 1, which is equal to minus 1 power 1 plus 2, 3. So 3 is odd number, therefore it is minus 1 into 4 into 1 minus 1 into minus 1. which is equal to minus 1 into 4 into 1 4, minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1, plus 1 into minus 1. So 4 minus 1 3, 3 into minus 1 minus 3. Next, cofactor of 3, which is equal to minus 1 power. This 3 comes in first row, third column, and the cofactors are 4 2 minus 1 3, which is equal to 1 plus 3, minus 1 power 1 plus 3. So 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 is even number, therefore it is plus 1 into 4 into 3 minus 1 into 2, which is equal to 1 into 4 3 is 12, minus into minus plus 1 2 is 2. So 12 plus 2 14, 14 into 1 14. Cofactor of 4, minus 1 into 4 comes in second row, first column, and the cofactors are minus 1 3, 3 1, minus 1 power 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1 means 3, 3 means odd number, therefore it is minus 1 to minus 1 into 1 minus 3 into 3, which is equal to minus 1 into 1 minus 1 and minus 3 into minus 3 minus 9. So minus 1 minus 9 minus 10, minus 10 into minus 1 plus 10. Next, cofactor of 2, minus 1 power. 2 comes in second row, second column, and the cofactors are one 3 minus 1 1, which is equal to 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 is even number, therefore it is plus 1. 1 into 1 minus 1 into 3, which is equal to 1 into 1 1 minus 2 minus plus 3 plus 1 4, 4 into 1 4. Cofactor of minus 1, which is equal to minus 1. This minus 1 comes in second row, third column, and the cofactors are 1 minus 1 minus 1 3, which is equal to 2 plus 3 5. Minus 1 power 5 means 5 is odd number, therefore it is minus 1. 1 into 3 minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. So it is minus 1 into 3 minus into minus plus 1 into 1 1. So plus into minus 3 minus 1 2, 2 into minus 1 minus 2. Cofactor of minus 1, minus 1 into this minus 1 comes in third row first column, that is third row first column, and the cofactors are minus 1 3, 2 minus 1, which is equal to 3 plus 1 4. So power is even number, therefore it is 1. Minus 1 into minus 1 minus 2 into 3 is equal to 1 into minus 1 to minus 1 plus 1, minus 2 3 is a minus 6. So 1 minus 6 minus 5, minus 5 into 1 minus 5. Cofactors of 3. Equal to minus 1. This 3 comes in third row second column, and the cofactors are 1 3, 4 minus 1. Three plus 2 5. 5 power means odd number, therefore it is minus 1. Minus 1 into 1 into minus 1 minus 4 into 3 is equal to minus 1 into minus 1 minus 1 minus 4 3 is a 12 minus 12. So minus 1 minus 12 minus 13, minus 13 into minus 1 plus 13. Cofactor of 1. Cofactor of 1 equal to minus 1 power. This 1 comes in third row third column, and the cofactors are 1 minus 1 4 2. 3 plus 3 6. Power is even number, therefore it is plus 1. 1 into 2 minus 4 into minus 1. So which is equal to 1 into 1 2 is 2 minus 4 into minus 1 plus 4. So 2 plus 4 6. 6 into 1 6. So these are the cofactors of A. So we got cofactors of A. Now write down as a matrix and transpose it. We will get adjoint of A. So friends, we got cofactors of A. So using this cofactors of A, form a matrix. Now transpose this. Transpose this. So what is meant by transpose? Write down the element of rows as columns, that is transpose. So transpose is 5 minus 3 14 are the element of row, so write down as columns. 5 minus 3 14. 10 4 minus 2 rows, write down as column. 10 4 minus 2 column, and minus 5 13 and 6. So this is transpose of this matrix. Now adjoint. Adjoint of A is 5 10 minus 5 minus 3 4 13 and 14 minus 2 6. Now A inverse. A inverse. So what is A inverse? A inverse is equal to adjoint of A by det A. That is adjoint of A into 1 by det A, which is equal to 5 10 minus 5 -3, 4, 13, 14, -2, 6 into 1/50 equal to 5/50, 10/50, -5/50, -3/50, 4/50, 13/50, 14/50, -2/50 and 6/50. So this is A inverse. Now x is equal to what? X is equal to A inverse into D. That is, x is equal to A inverse into D means this matrix into D matrix. So what is 5/50, 10/50, -5/50, -3/50, 4/50, 13/50, 14/50, -2/50, 6/50 into D matrix, that is 505. So multiply with this. So friends, this is A inverse and this is D. Multiply first row, first column. 5/50 into 5 plus 10/50 into 0 minus 5/50 into 5. So 5 1s are 5, 5 10s are 50, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. So this is equal to 1/2 plus this is 10/50 into 0 is 0, and this is 5 1s are 5, 5 10s are 50, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. So this is minus 1/2. So plus 1/2 minus 1/2 gets 0. The next second row, first column, minus 3/50 into 5 plus 4/50 into 0 plus 13/50 into 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 10s are 15, 5 1s are 5, 5 10s are 15. So it is minus 3/10, and this is 0 because 0 into something 0, and this is 13/10. So 13/10 minus 10/10, 13/10 minus 3/10 is equal to 13 minus 3/10. So it is 10/10. 10 1s are 10, 10. So it is 1. The next third row, first column. What is third row? 14/50 into 5 minus 2/50 into 0 plus 6/50 into 5. So 5 1s are 5, 5 10s are 50, 5 1s are 5, 5 10s are 50. So it is 2 7s are 2 5s are 7/5 plus 0, and this is 2 3s are 2 5s are 3/5. So it is 7 plus 3/5 is equal to 10/5. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10 is equal to 2. So we got x max is as 0, and this is 1, and this is 2. So here x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1, and z is equal to 2. So friends, we have to stop here. अगर ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा तो सब्सक्राइब करें और लाइक करें। धन्यवाद।